All right, stop everything. Because this might just be the biggest breakthrough in AI video generation we've ever seen. And somehow, almost no one's talking about it. It's called The Matrix. And no, not the movie. But what this AI can do might just be the stuff of science fiction come to life. Imagine stepping into a game, or better yet, an entirely new world where the environment isn't pre-designed. Instead, it's being created around you as you interact with it. Take a turn, and the AI generates a new street. Walk forward, and a city starts unfolding in real time. This isn't just about generating content. It's about creating fully immersive, dynamic worlds that adapt to you as you go. It doesn't just generate video, it generates experiences. And here's the kicker. It's not just for gaming. This AI has the potential to disrupt industries from virtual reality to autonomous vehicle testing, from filmmaking to education. By the end of this video, you'll understand why it's not just another cool AI project, but a revolutionary step forward in how we interact with digital worlds. So, buckle up, because what you're about to discover is mind-blowing. So let's get straight into what makes it so unique. At its core is a generative AI system that can create infinite high-resolution video streams in real time. And when I say infinite, I mean it. The video doesn't stop, it evolves continuously, creating worlds that feel alive. It's not about static images or pre-rendered scenes. This is real-time video generation with frame-perfect precision. The tech behind it is groundbreaking. It's powered by something called the Video Diffusion Transformer, or VDIT. Now, this fancy-sounding name is what allows to generate smooth, continuous video, with no awkward breaks or transitions. You know how in older models, you'd get weird glitches when they tried to stitch frames together. That doesn't happen here. Thanks to the Shift Window Denoising Process Model, or SDPM for short, the AI processes video frames more efficiently, making it possible to generate content for hours, or even days, without running out of memory. Think about that. Infinite video generation, without limitations. That alone would have been impossible just a few years ago, but it doesn't stop at visuals. Is interactive. It has an interactive module that translates your inputs, like pressing a key or moving a joystick, into real-time actions in the video. For example, you could drive a car and the environment responds instantly. Press the accelerator and the car speeds up. Turn left and the road curves perfectly. This isn't just close, it's frame-by-frame precision. It feels like you're inside the simulation. Let's talk about adaptability. Was tested in scenarios it wasn't even trained for. One test showed a BMW driving through an office environment. An office? This wasn't part of its training data, but the system adapted instantly, creating realistic visuals and movements. This ability to generalize is what makes so revolutionary. It's not just recreating what it's been taught, it's creating something entirely new. And it's fast. Can generate 720p video at speeds of 8 to 16 frames per second in real time. That might not sound like much if you're thinking about gaming standards, but for real-time AI video generation, it's phenomenal. The key to this speed is something called the Stream Consistency Model, or SCM. This ensures the video stays sharp and responsive while maintaining high performance. It's like having a turbocharger for video generation. Now, why does this matter? Because the applications are limitless. Let's start with gaming. Creating open-world games takes years of manual design work. Every tree, every rock, every shadow, it's all meticulously crafted. You could create worlds that evolve based on player actions. No two players would ever experience the same environment. Imagine that level of immersion. And then there's virtual reality. Immersion is everything in VR. With VR, environments could respond to your every movement. Walk through a forest and the AI generates new paths in real time. Step into a city and the crowd reacts to you. It's like living in a world that feels as real as our own. Now think about autonomous vehicles. Testing self-driving cars in real-world conditions is expensive and risky. offers a safe, scalable way to simulate these conditions. Cars can navigate dynamic environments, learn and adapt, all without ever leaving the simulation. But the applications don't stop there. Imagine what this could do for filmmaking. Entire scenes could be generated in real time, slashing costs and opening up creative possibilities we've never seen before. And in education could create interactive simulations that make learning more engaging and hands-on. And here's the part that gets me excited, is open source. The researchers behind it, working with Alibaba, the University of Hong Kong, and the University of Waterloo, have made the code, the data, and the model checkpoints publicly available. That means developers around the world can build on it, expand its capabilities, and apply it to new industries. It's not just an AI model, it's a platform for innovation. But here's what really sets apart its ability to generalize. Most AI models are limited by their training data. They can only replicate what they've seen. But it creates something new. It can simulate interactions in environments that were never part of its training. Imagine exploring landscapes no one's ever thought of before or navigating scenarios that have never existed. That's the power of... Let's dig into the numbers. This system was trained on a data set called SORA, which combines synthetic game data with real-world video footage. Using tools like Cheat Engine and OBS, the researchers captured precise action frame pairs, teaching the AI how to replicate motion and detail. The result? Over 750,000 labeled samples and 1.2 million unlabeled samples, all recorded at 60 FPS. This level of training ensures that. Delivers visuals that are both stunning and responsive. And let's not forget the scale. With 2.7 billion parameters, it is a powerhouse. It combines pre-trained video diffusion models with advanced frameworks like the Swin Transformer, achieving performance that bridges the gap between simulated and real-world environments. Whether it's dust kicked up by a car in a desert or ripples in water as a vehicle drives through it, the attention to detail is remarkable. So, what's the takeaway? Isn't just another AI system. It's a complete reimagining of how we create and interact with digital environments. Whether it's gaming, virtual reality, autonomous systems, or even filmmaking, this technology is reshaping the future. And the best part? We're just scratching the surface. All right, now it's your turn. What do you think? Is the future of AI or something even bigger? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.